Hi ladies and gentlemen, as you can see in this screen, this is the PacketStream. My current balance is 20.47 USD. I'm going to show you my actual dashboard on the website. So this is the PacketStream.io, exactly the same $20.47 is balance. So I'm going to live withdraw and show you guys at the end what's the result for this one. Is it going to pay? That sort of things I'm going to reveal next. So first of all, let's go to my account. So as you can see here, withdraw option, cash out your balance, PayPal email. So I'll put my PayPal email here and let's withdraw this. So before withdraw, you can see here 3% processing fee will be deducted from your balance when you withdraw. Also, PayPal may subtract additional fees depending on your PayPal account type and country. That sort of things we need to consider, guys. Now we just find out the truth. Let's click in the withdraw now. Yeah, you can see here on the top, and also you can see here the balance is now 00. I have received email which I can show you here. You can see here PacketStream team, PacketStream cash out request. So if you open this one, we have received your cash out request payment. Your payment will be processed soon, PacketStream team. So I have got this email after I made request. So let's wait and see how long does it take to arrive in the actual PayPal balance. After 1.5 days, around approx 2 days, I got another email from PacketStream, which you can see here, PacketStream team, PacketStream cash out process. So if I open this one, we have processed your cash out request or PayPal payment of 19.86 USD was sent to your PayPal email. Another email from PacketStream, they are asking for the reviews. I think this one, congrats on your first PacketStream cash out. We have loved if you could take a minute of your time to write a review of PacketStream on Trustpilot. So I will do this later. Another email I got from PayPal as well. You can see here, PacketStream Inc. has sent you 19.86 USD. So let's check in the actual PayPal. So this is my PayPal, paypal.com. You can see here, PacketStream Inc. Has sent you 19.86 USD. Actual we had request around 20.47 USD. So as for them, they are charging around 3% handling fees. Let's find out how much they charge me. So 20.47 USD I had to withdraw. Times 3%, 3 divided by 100 is equal to 0.6141. So we have received only 19.86. So let's deduct this amount in actual withdraw balance. Actual withdraw balance was 20.47 USD. So 20.47 minus 0.6141 3% charge is equal to 19.85.59. So it's around 3%, guys. Maybe a little bit less than 3%, but it's right with the 3% handling fees. So PacketStream is paying. I'm not sure about this one continue paying in the future, but in present time, this is actually paying. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.